Hello everyone, my name is Mars, and in today's video, we are going to make a roll cake. Now, this is the first time I'm doing a roll cake. I have heard that it's very finicky. Anyway, let's see how I do, so let's go to the kitchen. So the cake I'll be doing is mocha because hello, it's good. Now, I'm not gonna repeat the detailed process of how I made the batter, but I will just post a link of a previous episode where I make a mocha cake in a round tin. So, go check that out and then come back here. Alright, now that the batter is nice and ready, instead of putting it in a round tin, I will be putting this in a rectangle one. This isn't gonna be a big cake, but it should be enough for us to be able to roll the cake. Let's bake it! Okay, the cake is ready. Now, I got a tip from watching Bigger Bolder Baking that while the cake is hot, we should roll one edge of the cake just part way so it will theoretically take on the roll shape and it won't break when we roll it when it's cold. I hope that made sense. While we're waiting for this to cool, let's make some frosting. I really like this frosting. It's just that it's kind of pricey to make because cream is quite expensive here. Although I suppose I could have just used the good old butter and powdered sugar, but whatevs. The cake is now cool, so I'm just gonna slap in the frosting and moment of truth, let's roll it. Crap, that thing cracked. Damn it. Okay. Ooh, relax. Everything is fine. Well, it didn't break all the way through, so that's a good thing. And it looks quite rolled. I can probably just cover it with frosting and none would be the wiser. See, look at that. I don't see any cracks. It's like it never happened. I'm just gonna do a montage for cake decorating and we'll have the finished product. Voila! Here we are, guys. I have to say, this looks quite good given my super noob cake decorating skills with Z. I really want to eat this now because I know it's good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I like trying out stuffs, whether it's DIY, cooking, or honestly whatever piques my interest. So, if you like to see more videos, how about smashing the subscribe button? Ring the bell as well. Now, if you'll excuse me, I am going to indulge in this cake, so I will see you in the next video. Bye!